funniest thing with COVID is that you catch it in the most randomest times and the places where you least expect it. I went to New York twice, and I didn't catch it. Went to Rolling Loud, crowded subway trains, and it's one of the dirtiest cities, right? Strangely enough, I caught it here in Miami, Florida, where I wasn't even around that many people. Okay, so I think it's like the third day. What is today? The third day of having of showing symptoms of COVID. Started on Thursday night. Now is Saturday on December the 18th. So I just got the test, and it's from Walgreens. 2 weeks from now, I have to retake the test. My symptoms have gotten way better since my mom is a nurse. She's Haitian, so she has those remedies, those home remedies. And I'm not feeling too bad. My fever died the first night. Yeah, my fever died the first night, and then my headache has been gone. A little bit of sore throat, but I have cough drops and some lemon with some salt. Just throw it in the back of my neck to help soothe that. Day 3. I don't like staying in my room all day. And taking walks definitely help. I feel my best when I'm walking. Like a scientist. Strangest thing about catching COVID is after 2.5 years, or however long it's been, I finally, caught it. I thought I was like immune or something, but I guess it finally caught up with me, and it wasn't too bad. After about 3 days, I basically felt 10 times better than the first night with the pounding headache. That was the worst thing, the headache. And yeah, but after that first night and a long sleep, felt better. Still tired and all that stuff, but definitely not as bad as the media makes it out to be. But stay healthy, guys, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.